Hey all, today I'm gonna share how to make a cute mushroom fairy house bookmark with super clay. Take tomato red colored clay and make a rectangular mushroom roof. Make the edge smooth and rounded with sculpting tool. Mix little bit of lemon yellow clay with white clay to make it off-white. Shape it as I am showing and make the edges smooth and rounded. Attach the roof with it. Decorate the mushroom roof with white clay dots. Make a door with brown clay and attach it on the fairy house. Make wood texture on it with sculpting tool. Decorate the mushroom fairy house with green grass and colorful clay flowers. Do not forget to make a window for the fairy. Mushroom fairy house is ready now. Attach the fairy house on a popsicle stick or coffee stirrer stick. Our bookmark is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more and hit the bell icon. Happy crafting!